Nnamdi Kanu, for the purpose of this trial, is representing himself in this matter. So, and on this particular issue, we are now acting as his consultants. I'm not the only one. He has many consultants, both foreign and local, whom he consults on this particular issue.
All right, guys, and I want to welcome you back to Trending Nigeria, and we are still giving you updates what happened today in court about the case of Nnamdi Kanu. And we have one of his lawyers who will be giving us implications of Nnamdi Kanu not entering his defense today. So is it a systematic way to win the case? And we are going to listen to the implication. As you know that during Thursday proceeding, Justice Omotosho gave Nnamdi Kanu one last chance, one last opportunity to respond to the terrorism charges filed by the federal government. But Nnamdi Kanu refused, insisting that there's no valid charge against him and claiming that the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act, under which is being tried, has been appealed. So we want to listen to Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer. So let's listen to what he has to say concerning this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this channel.
You can see the way I dressed. Nnamdi Kanu, for the purpose of this trial, is representing himself in this matter. So, and on this particular issue, we are now acting as his consultants. I'm not the only one. He has many consultants, both foreign and local, whom he consults on this particular issue, not representing him here. Now, if you recall, Nnamdi Kanu has, to tell you that he's ready for his defense, has listed the witnesses he intends to call in this particular matter. So, in the course of consulting, he discovered that the law upon which he's been charged and tried does not exist. So ordinarily, the court is expected to raise this issue and ask the parties to address him on this issue, whether the law does exist. So now Nnamdi Kanu has raised the issue and said that I cannot enter defense because in a criminal jurisprudence we have a procedure. The procedure is that for you to even assume jurisdiction, there must be a law. For the law to even exist, for you to rely on that law, the law must be an existing law. And Nnamdi Kanu now on his own filed a motion on this particular issue, telling my lord that the law upon which I'm being tried does not exist, in line with section 36 sub 12 of the Constitution. But my lord on his own, just like what we said, my lord on his own said that section is talking about conviction. And Nnamdi Kanu said, no, you can't be talking about conviction without trial. The trial will lead to conviction. So for you to even talk about conviction, you must first of all address all those issues that will lead to conviction. So that is why we are here. It's not as if that you don't want to enter defense, but he's saying, tell me the law upon which I'm being charged and tried.
Why are we here at this stage, knowing that at a point he once pleaded not guilty, and then the witnesses from the prosecution were examined and cross-examined?
If you say that you are not taking plea, then how will you tell the judge to discharge and acquit you for no trial? Because you first of all plead guilty. Are you saying you first of all plead guilty for court to have jurisdiction for you to even make an application? If you do not plead guilty, there is nothing before the court. So that was the issue. And he's now saying that if the law, the charges upon which I pleaded guilty, does not exist. We are talking about law.
Yeah, what about the trial? There was a trial.
The defense opening their case.
The prosecution.
You can raise it. The law said that you can raise all this issue at any stage. Okay. Before judgment, you can raise it at any stage, either before prosecution open his case, upon prosecution closing his case, or at any stage. So that's the stage Nnamdi Kanu is. So on our own, so we believe that the court will first of all hear this particular motion. I hear them saying, but just like the court said, the court has every right to take decision one way or the other. Then Nnamdi Kanu still have opportunity of going on appeal.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure. I know, sir, now you go there.